The decision tree generation can be performed in different ways. Weka, Python, or MATLAB can be used for this purpose. In this video, we're going to use Weka. Weka is a collection of machine learning algorithms for data mining tasks. It contains tools for data preparation, classification, regression, and visualization. With Weka Explorer, we first import the data file, a RFF file, that has been generated by Unico GUI. Then, with the Classify tab, we choose the J48 algorithms under Decision Tree Classifiers. The Start button will be able in less than a few seconds to generate the prune tree. Much more information are available here. You can find, for example, the confusion matrix. And in the Visualize tab, we can actually observe the data distribution based on different features. This is particularly helpful in determining which feature is more important than another one. The prune tree can now be exported into a text file that will be used by Unico GUI again to generate the register's configuration for your LSM6DSOX. Now that the decision tree has been created and stored, it can be used to generate the register's configuration through Unico GUI.